This thing is a chicken smoothie. Like, look at this. It's so cute. Apparently there's a line.
แขกมันหมาตกน้ำเลยเนี่ย มันก็เป็นร้านง่ายอ๋อแต่ไม่ได้เกี่ยวกับ We travel to Kanchanaburi.
Hey guys, I just finished working out. Good morning, by the way. Welcome to a new video. Today is Monday, and I just worked out at FitFac. You can see it's FitFac, and I have private training here. It's really nice actually, and this time we started with fitness first and then the Muay Thai, which was really hard because we did my legs. Like with the fitness we trained my legs, and then I did the Muay Thai and we started kicking and stuff, and it was actually so hard to lift my legs, like really hard. But okay, we'll finish. And then one of the trainers, I asked for a protein, like where I could get it, and he gave me this thing. This thing is a chicken smoothie. Yeah, chicken smoothie with 70 grams of protein. Like, that's a lot, but that's nice because we need that. But I don't know if it's too much actually, but yeah.มันแบบมันเปิดอ่ะมันไม่ใช่ว่าอร่อยนะแต่มันก็ไม่ใช่ว่ามันสกปรกอ่ะ
สกปรกเหรอเฮ้ยนี่เป็นโรงงานเลยด้วย
มันไม่ใช่ไงมันไม่ใช่ว่ามันไม่อร่อยแต่มันก็ไม่ใช่ว่ามันอร่อยมันแปลกอ่ะกินได้แต่มันไม่ใช่ว่าน่ากินจังเลย
เนโปรตีนไม่อร่อยดิ
ฮะเรียกโปรตีนอร่อยเช็คใส่น้ำ
อร่อยเขย่ากันไก่อะชิคเก้นอะ
ก็รู้แล้วว่ามันชิคเก้น But the taste of this, it's weird. It's not that it's nice, but it's not that it's really bad. Like, it has the berry flavor, which makes it okay, I guess. Okay. Back in the traffic, you guys. Back in it. It's so pretty. Okay, guys, I got back. I bought some stuff and some food, and I think I don't know. I just have to go to the toilet like so often. It's so annoying. But I'm not sick, so I don't know what's going on. But it's not good, but it's also not that I'm sick, having a fever or stuff like that. But yeah, I will go change my clothing, or I think I'm gonna take it with me, some PJs, because we are going to watch a movie at the cinema room at Ali's place and Paloma's place. In their building they have a beautiful TV room, film room, cinema, whatever you want to call it. So that's really nice. So we're gonna have like a girls' night, which is really fun. So yeah, I'm gonna get into a room and maybe I'm gonna eat something first today because I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since this morning. I ate, then worked out, and then I drank that chicken protein stuff shake. So I'm really hungry. so hot. But okay, in a second I will go to their place and I will set everything up and that will be fun, but for now I'm so tired. Just want to sleep. Shit. Okay guys, I'm at Paloma's and Ellie's building. At Paloma's place. Like, look at this. It's so beautiful. She's like a rich mommy. Look at this. Damn, like when I was walking into the building, I didn't even know that this was the building because it didn't have the name. It's so cute.
You can like book a private dinner.
Ah, so pretty. Okay. Oh my god, this is the cinema.
You can even like, right? You can even adapt the light and stuff.
Wow.
Wait, what? Can you get
Damn, look at that. Wow. Okay. Look at Palama's cupcakes.
Alright, oh, it's working. Okay.
It's so cute.
I hope.
This one is, I think, with M&Ms.
Yeah, like all of those are with M&Ms, and one of them I just put like some more because I made some more dough today.
Ah. Like, look at my private cinema. It's so beautiful.
Because I don't know if you can go to the floor and just come back and we're gonna text you. She has to come up herself, but I think it should work. It's so cute! Thank you guys!
We're gonna get the water and the pizza downstairs. Paloma, she ordered. I'm excited. I've never ordered pizza here. Well, I haven't ordered it.
No,
Paloma did.
I did.
But I have to order a Coke Zero. Sounds crazy, right? Ordering a Coke.
Sugar.
Ordering a Coke Zero. Just one bottle of. Yeah, how do you say it? How do you say it?
A bottle of Coke Zero.
Frisdrank? I say frizz.
Fizzy drink.
Fizzy? Soda. Soda. We ordered soda.
Put my phone on.
Mmm. This also actually looks so cute. Wow.
That's the last one. Then like later. That's what you're very
Thank you. Oh, empty. It was so lovely. Econ against, I don't know. But this is our side. We go for the blacks. The people like with the black t-shirts on. That's our side. They won, you guys! They won! Look, them sitting, team building.
He said, roll down today, so we go get we got him very well, alright. Sheet up there, bro.
Okay, you guys, we just went to like a soccer game from our faculty and they won. So yay, they won. And it's so much fun. And now we're gonna eat some Thai barbecue with my mom, my mommy. And another family member is coming, but I actually don't know who she is. Or at least I know her face, but I don't know what she is from. But we're in line. Apparently there's a line. And we are number... I was playing with. I think it was number 91. And they're now at 82 or 3, I think. So we need to wait around 20 minutes. But I think that's okay. And I am confidently in the fact that if there's a line, it has to be good. I hope that's the case. Okay, I will let you know. Okay guys, we are here now because she parked where she can park and then they will lock your wheel apparently. Then you have to come pay here. Okay.
เปียกมันหมาตกน้ำเลยเนี่ย
Oh gosh. We're all wet. It's cold. Look at this.
นี่ไงจะมา
But lots of the products have like, if you write like 6 stamps, it's like 5 baht. Just like on the links.
I'm zooming in. The avocado toast with tomatoes. Okay, so everyone has like an avocado toast, but all different one. So she had it with scrambled eggs. She has like the normal one, like the plain one. Ellie got the tomatoes. And me, I got the salmon. Cheers! Just finished eating and I'm on my way to my room. I think it's really close from here. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna put some Google Maps on to just go to the room. Okay, I actually don't remember what was the last thing that I filmed, but I went to sleep when I was back home, and then I went to the mall with Paloma and Ellie to eat something. I invited them and they came and it was so nice. We ate some Japanese food and then I went to my dance lesson, my twerk lesson. I really love this class, and I'm also gonna take hip-hop and street dance too. So that's really lovely. I'm going to do it. I really like that. And now I'm waiting for my friend Bang, Pete Bang. She's on her way to here. She's gonna stay the night over with me, so that's really fun. So I'm gonna get ready because we're going out, and then I will go pick her up downstairs, I guess. and then we're going out. We're going out. We're going out. Good morning. I'm a little bit hangover, I think, but I'm at my gym. I have a workout at 11. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, guys, we are in a restaurant now. We're gonna eat some hot pot with pipeng. And yesterday we went out, right? It was so much fun. It was really a chic club though. We were kind of not dressed for it, I guess, but it was really fun. It was really funny and an amazing time this morning when working out. And now I'm gonna eat some hot pot, I guess. We just came back from dinner. It's a few hours now. We just came back like a few hours from dinner. Now we're waiting for a car. We're already waiting for a long time. Good morning, y'all. Today it is Sunday. Today it is Sunday already. It's the last day of this week. We traveled to Kanchanaburi yesterday night. I was really annoyed because we were waiting so long for that friend to come pick us up, and it was already so late and actually was tired and just wanted to sleep. So I was really annoyed by that, but eventually I slept in the car and we came here, and now we're gonna check out, and then we're going to my friend's family house first to get some things or something. I don't know actually for sure, but today we are going to the waterfalls, which is a really like thing over here. It's like the activity to do when you're here, so I'm really excited. She's gonna bring me to the most beautiful waterfall here, so really excited for that, and I hope you are also excited to see it, because I've never been here before. And yeah, I think it's nice to I really like to discover new places, and this is one of them. And it was like really spontaneous and last minute planned, which is sometimes fun. Not always, but she's from here, so that's even perfect, because she knows the way and knows where to eat and knows all the stuff here. Okay, I'm gonna get inside. I'm getting a bit hot. Yeah, this is like the view from the hotel, but it looks like a prison because of this, but yeah. Peace out. Okay, so we now got into a coffee cafe, and it's so cute. It's so cute. Like, look at this corner, like even with the bunnies. And I think the most beautiful parts are these cakes. They look really fake. They're so beautiful. Like, what in the heck? Change of plans. We're not going to the most beautiful waterfall of Kanchanaburi. We're going to this smaller one. This smaller one is a less touristic one. As you see, there are only locals here. A lot of Thai people playing around, playing with the water, with everything. It was actually so beautiful, and I think it was way more peaceful than the one that's so famous. But yet I still want to see that one, but it's not going to be happening this trip because we don't have that much of a time. But we went up taking pictures at the waterfall, which was beautiful, but we were so wet after this because the water was just splashing everywhere. But like the weather, the water, the view, everything together was so beautiful. I enjoyed it so much. It was really wowing. And after that we went to dinner, and later we went home. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.